What's up, traders? So first of all, I want to thank you all for all the support. On Christmas Day, I only had 171 subscribers, and now like 2 weeks later, I have 1,500 subscribers, so that's just insane. And now someone asked me 2 days ago, do you have a Discord? And I said no, but I said, would you be interested in joining mine if I created one? And it had 5 thumbs up and a yes. So then we go into this other video that I released yesterday, and we scroll down. It says, definitely down for the Discord. We don't need anything fancy. We just appreciate your insight. Yeah, man, Discord would be dope. Your videos are very informative. Thank you. Your accuracy is insane, bro. I would join your Discord. I'm so happy. Your videos are informative. Instead of Discord, you could just put a post up on YouTube instead of a video. Yeah, but I just hit the 1,000 subscribers, so I still don't have the community tab. So yeah, I'm interested in a Discord. I would love a Discord as long as it's like YouTube. I don't have to pay. I don't have to pay for anything. He said cheapskate, and he wrote, haha, I feel you, but a Discord, a YouTube join would be a win-win since gets a small amount by a bunch of us and make that back with his insights. Well, I'm happy to announce that my Discord is going to be completely free. It's for my community and everybody can join it. Okay, it's going to be completely free. That's the cool part. It costs you nothing. Click on it, first link in the description, go ahead and join. I'll be active all day long on there, but it is new, so it's not too well gonna be managed, I guess. So go ahead and click on it and join. I'll be showing you guys how it looks right now shortly. Discord or Telegram may be easier. I made a Discord though. Hell yeah, bro. Make a Discord. Also, could you share portfolio so we can see what kind of investor you are? Eventually I will. I did briefly show my portfolio in one of my other videos, so go find it if you can. Discord is lame. Damn, this thing ripped up after hours. Yeah, it did. I think Discord is a great idea. Please let us know if/when you do. I'm not the only one. I wrote, okay, make sure to subscribe. I'll announce it when I create it. And then, oh, here we are. So basically, Discord, thumbs up. Yeah, so you guys asked for the Discord, so I responded with one. So here it is. This is what the Discord looks like. So here's the welcome tab. Everything is empty, guys. Here's the rules, the disclaimers, facts, brokerage to use. I'll put like my Robinhood link in here, and make sure you guys copy this link and send it to your friends. I want this community to grow. I want there to be a lot of us in here sharing everybody's different insights. So copy this link and send it to your friends so that everybody can join. Here, my Instagram, I don't have an Instagram, but maybe I'll make one in the future. And here's, I'll post my YouTube videos in here. This is the general chat. Here's the gains tab. This is my favorite tab. Okay, I already started off. I post my gains with AQMS with some options, and I post my 56% return on investment with a FLIR options call. I'm gonna post my trade setups in here. These are gonna be my personal plays, the community plays, general voice chat. So you guys can come here to the voice channels and talk with me. Just click on it, you'll join. I'm gonna get out. And now here we see that I'm gonna be posting a lot more things in here so that we can all learn. It's gonna be a completely free Discord. I want everybody to join it. There's no reason not to join it, guys. So that's basically it, guys. Thank you guys all for the support. You guys asked for it, so here it is. Yeah, 12 hours later and I'm making one. So I hope to see you guys there. But again, that Discord is not going to be financial advice. Invest according to your own personal risk tolerance and after you've done your own research. But that's been it, guys. Peace. I hope I see you out there.